Hey guys, welcome to Sugar Allen's Travel Channel. Today we are giving you a tour of room 6439 on Navigator the Seas. Navigator is currently doing a Mexican Riviera cruise at the moment. So this is going to be your assembly station, D18. All your safety information right here. They've also got your magnetic sign here. If you don't want to be disturbed, put that on the door outside and they will leave you alone. You've got the main light switch right here for the entire cabin. You've got this closet where you've got shelving to put your stuff. You've also got your life vests and hangers. And then you've got a ladder right here. This room is capable of sleeping 4 people. There's 2 beds that can be pulled down. I'll show that to you in a minute. You got my assistant over there, Shug. All right, inside the restroom, you've got the standard shower, a removable shower head. You've got your shampoo and body wash combined into one. You've got the rolling door instead of the dreaded shower curtains. I can't stand those shower curtains. Your towels. Hello. You've got your storage right here to put some of your necessities. Decent sized sink to put more stuff, and some storage area underneath, as well as a trash can and some drinking glasses. Coming out of there, you've got your desk here with your vanity. You've got your outlets, 2 US outlets and 1 European outlet. We always recommend you bring like a multi-USB just to give you more charging options.
Definitely. All right, and then here we have your hair dryer, which is standard in every room. We have our cooler. Okay.
All right.
And then you have your TV. It actually pulls out and it swivels.
Yeah, I'd say that's about a 32-inch, I think.
Right above it, you're going to have your safe, and then you're going to have some more storage space up there.
All right. And we've got some additional drawers down here at your desk to store some miscellaneous items. You got a couch right there with some lighting. You got a full-size mirror here. Check yourself out before you go out and eat. And then your bed, normal bed. The phone has a USB port on there so you can charge off of that, but there are no other outlets over there. You've got your 2 nightstands over there. Up on top here, this is what I was telling you.
Right here.
They can take those down so that you've got 2 additional beds, so you can sleep a total of 4. All right, and this is what your room will look like from the opposite end. So for an interior room, not a bad size really. It's very comfortable. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and hit that like button. And we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye.